I think figs are a stunning fruit, and if they're making a fig choker, I'm definitely buying one. And yes, I know I'm crazy, but if you're wondering, that just took less than a minute. All I did was take the wire from one of my other chokers and strung the figs through. Hey everybody, it's peak summertime here in California. It's been so hot. What a summer it's been. It's about 110 degrees Fahrenheit, which is up there in the 40s in centigrade. But we've been enjoying some delicious figs because summertime means it's fig time. We dig figs, and not just for the fruit, but also for the leaves. The most beautiful ornamental leaves. They're just my favorite. These fig trees are everywhere here and even growing in the wild. These jammy gems are the purple kinds, and when fully ripe, have an ooey, gooey, jammy interior that's to die for. Now, I didn't grow up with figs because you don't find them very much in India, but here, that's just another story. In fact, did you know that the figs are native to the Middle East and have been growing there since the ancient times? And the largest producers are Turkey, Egypt, and Morocco in that order. So my dear friends Dan and Carrie, who live close by, have a fig tree in their backyard. And since they don't use the figs, they very generously let us have them rather than just letting them go waste. So we went fig picking recently and got home a box full of these treats. And when we got tired of eating them raw and as is, we added them into our smoothies and made the most delicious fig yogurt, which was out of the world. In both of these recipes, our goal was to use the natural sweetness of the figs with minimal addition of added sugar, which incidentally was in the form of honey or agave nectar. So let's make both these refreshing and cooling recipes that are perfect for the crazy heat that we've been experiencing. So to make this yogurt, there are three main ingredients that you need. Some beautiful fresh figs, some yogurt, I'm using the Greek kind, and a sweetener, which could be honey or agave nectar. I'm going to use the latter. So you'll take the figs and roughly cut them up into big chunks. Now you could use the figs as is raw and blend it with the yogurt, or you could cook it for a minute or two, perhaps even 3. Just want to make it a little more mush before you add it to the yogurt. If you decide to cook it, then you'll just add a splash of water, perhaps about 1/4 cup of it, and then let them cool down once they're cooked before you blend them. And can we just take a moment to admire these beautiful colors? I mean, how pretty are they? Next, we'll take the figs, raw or cooked, put them in a blender, put in some Greek yogurt, add your sweetener to taste, and blend it. Take a pretty plate and try to get as much of the goodness out as possible. And if you have to lick it, so be it. And then all that's left to do is to decorate it. I'm just going to go ahead and garnish it with some slices of figs and a sprinkle of hemp seeds. And that's about it. You can even sprinkle some nuts, some additional honey if you like. How gorgeous is that? A word of caution though, be prepared to make a lot of it, or better still, teach others how to make it because it disappears in no time. And now coming to the fig smoothie. There's going to be some spinach for greens, and I'm going to use a combination of fruits along with the figs. So I'm using a banana here, but you could also use a mango or strawberries or whatever you like. In go the figs, and I'm using around 3 or 4 of those. Next, I'm adding about 1 cup or so of milk, and if you want to go totally plant-based, you could use almond milk or soy milk here. Then comes in the protein in the form of a couple of big spoonfuls of Greek yogurt. And now I'm giving it a drizzle of honey. And next we're going to blend all of this goodness really well. And if you feel that you need to add extra liquid, be it in the form of water or milk, go ahead and do that and bring it to the consistency that you'd like. And then all that is left is to really put it into the glasses of your choice and garnish the way you like it. I have a feeling you're going to really enjoy these recipes using the stunning fruit that is in season at the moment. So thank you for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed this recipe or this episode as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Till next time, take care and bye-bye.